Hi guys, it's Harvey again from All Parts Pool and Spa. Today I want to speak my mind. I'm losing my mind today. Recently I got a phone call on a stay right heater, 400,000 BTU, 4 months old, water coming out of it. I asked the guy basically on the phone, how's your pool chemistry? He said, oh, good. I love when I get answers. Oh, it's good. Okay. So anyway, I'm glutton for punishment. Took the ride 5 minutes from my house, and yeah, water coming out. And I said, how do you check your chemistry? He said, well, it's a gold line system. Don't get me wrong. I like gold line. I like stay right. They're both excellent salt generators. And he says, well, the little thing reads either high salt and tells me 27 or 34. That's where the guy told me I need to be. And my pool starts turning green, put it on superchlorinate, and that's all I need to do. I asked him, well, what do you do? There's other things to do, but what do you do about your pH? I mean, there's a lot more chemistry involved, but what do you do to maintain your pH? He said, and he knew nothing. The pool builder did a beautiful job. Basically, this is all you need to do. Okay. I checked his chemistry, and his water was at 7.2. Not 7.2. I recommend 7.2 to 7.8. His pool water was 2.2. Okay? And I showed him and I tried to explain to him, and the man knew nothing about pH. So then I tried to explain. I can't drill it enough. Say, argument's sake, we're at 7.2. We go to 6.2. It's just not times 1 point, okay? From 7.2 to 6.2, it's times 10. And we can keep multiplying. So let me give you an example. So if we're at 6.2 for an hour, it's basically equal to 10 hours. All right. But let me give you another example. He was at 2.2. So now we're at 7.2, at 6.2, it's 10 times 10. So now 5.2 is 10 times 10. Well, if you're at 4.2, just keep multiplying by 10. And that's how many hours an hour is equal to. So an hour, you can do 1,000 hours real quick. So it burnt up his heat exchanger. I had to explain to him it's not under warranty, and I could understand his frustration. So, I try to leave, good faith. I'm sure he's going to call up and yell and scream. And I took off the manifold and showed him the wear and from bad chemistry, and he still didn't understand. But anyway, I didn't charge him for the call. I'll charge Stay Right for the call. Don't know if I'll get paid, but that's neither here or there. But everybody knows I'm big on chemistry and safety. This is where I keep saying you have to read your owner's manual. It tells you in your owner's manual recommended maintenance of a cell and everything. That's why you need to read and understand your manual. And if there's something in the manual that you don't understand, call or talk to the person you bought it from and say, hey, listen, explain it to me like I'm an 8-year-old so I fully understand what I have. Or better yet, before you buy a system, fully understand what you're buying and what you need to do to maintain it properly. Okay? Now let me go on a little bit more of a tangent. Say, argument's sake, our excellent pool builder told you this information. You're keeping good water chemistry. You know about water chemistry. And you had enough knowledge to tell him to put bypass valves in so when I'm not using heat, I can keep circulating the pool, which I think is an excellent idea. And the pool heater doesn't see the water. Okay? It doesn't see the volume of water, doesn't see the water. And I can fudge a little bit on water chemistry. Not much. 7.2 is the lowest for me. You have to remember, it's just not your heater seeing the bad chemistry. It's your pool pump, your pool filter. All that sees water is seeing bad chemistry. And that's why your seals go in 6 months. It starts leaking. And if you don't see the leak because it's outside, and your motor starts, the bearing starts going because something, you started leaking so bad it got into your bearing, pumps will burn up in 8 months. All right, I seen it happen. I seen pumps fail in 90 days because of bad water chemistry. Your multi-ports on your sand filters. Oh, it's Harvey. It's stainless steel. Why is it rusting? Well, what's your pool chemistry like? What pool chemistry? I enjoy my water. Your water could be a death trap. All right, I'm not here to insult anybody. I'm here to educate. It's all about pool chemistry, backwashing, safety, having those emergency throw ropes, knowing where your disconnects are, knowing where your gas valves are, knowing where your children are. It's all about that, and then it's about having fun in your pool or spa. Okay? But anyway, let's talk a little bit about, we put a bypass valve so a heater doesn't see the water. Let me ask you one question, and nobody does it, and even experts that going, what is he talking about? It's not seeing water. Forget about it. How about the water that's in the system? Did you drain it? Let me ask you one question. We fill up a bathtub of water today. You go in it, correct? Yes. We take that same bath water, leave it alone for 6 months. Would you go in it? I don't think so. Same thing happens about the water in your heater. It's corroding your heater without your knowledge. You took the time to put bypass valves in, and I applaud you for doing that. But did you drain the heater of all the water and leave the plug out just in case one of your valves do leak and you can notice it? All right. Again, just draining a heater doesn't mean pull the plug, because it'll hold the vacuum. At least it should hold the vacuum. Just think about, you're a kid, you got a straw and you fill it up. Remember, you used to fill up a straw and put your finger over the straw, pull it out, and the water used to stay in it. Same thing about usually pulling a plug on a heater. If you don't break the vacuum, the water's never going to come out. So just pulling a plug doesn't drain your heater. All right, there's other things you have to do. Again, I'm going on a tangent because I really felt bad for this man. There's nothing I could do for the man but try to educate everybody. But my main focus in life, and I hope you guys get a laugh out of me. I hope my wife gets a laugh out of me every night when she hears these blurbs. She just chuckles away. But if I save one person, because I go on these blogs and I say it's all about safety, I save one person in the rest of my life. If I save one person, these blogs made me happy. Again, guys, I'm Harvey, All Parts Pool and Spa. It's all about safety, knowing where everything is, knowing where your children are, know where your pool chemistry is, and know what's the other thing? Enjoy your pool and spa and have excellent summer. Take care.